Looking for a reliable, cost-effective solution to replace your drum brake wheel cylinder? This direct replacement part is specifically engineered to match the fit, function, and performance of the original wheel cylinder in your 1999 Dodge Ram 1500. Designed with high-quality materials, including EPDM rubber cups and boots, it ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance for your vehicle's brake system. The cylinder bores are precision-tested to provide an optimal sealing surface for the pressure cups, ensuring superior braking performance. Installing this new wheel cylinder while servicing your drum brakes is the quickest and most effective way to restore your brake system's full performance. Don't let a malfunctioning brake cylinder compromise your safety or the longevity of your vehicle. This part is easy to install and offers a perfect fit, as confirmed by countless satisfied customers. With this affordable replacement, you get top-tier performance without paying dealership prices. Ready to restore your brake system to its original condition? Click the link in the description to purchase this essential part today and get your 1999 Dodge Ram 1500 back to optimal performance.